What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have 5 Dividend Kings that I really like. I own all of them. Done very well with my dividend portfolio. So I've done extremely well this year. And next year, I'm even more excited because it's may double. I have a few strategies that I have in mind to not only get to 200 shares Realty Income by the end of the year of next year, but I also want to load up on Agree Realty Corporation, my etrade dividend portfolio, my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I have goals too as well, and I'm earning solid passive income, but I'm not there yet. So by the way, I'm using this passive income with Yieldmax ETFs and some of the higher yielding business development companies and REITs. I'm hoping in the next 2 to 3 years that I can flip that and completely focus on my dividend growth stocks. Now, there's still going to be, well, let me just say that maybe like 70-30. I'll still focus on, some high yielders, but the higher percentage is going to be focused on dividend growth stocks because my high yielders will be buying my dividend growth stocks. It's already starting to happen, already kicking in. I'm not there where I want to be yet, but I want to show you 5 Dividend Kings that will really help me get raises, pretty much, dividend hikes with my dividend portfolio. These are, now, to be a Dividend King, you got 50 plus years. Just remember that you have solid dividend growth. I feel pretty confident in these 5. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these 5 Dividend Kings right now. First one I want to go after is Hormel Foods. HRL is a symbol sitting at 32.86, a dividend yield of 3.53%. PE ratio of 22.40. The average volume is 2.40 million. Market cap is 18.02 billion US dollars. Year range is 28.51 to 36.86. Day range is 32 to 32.92, and previous close is $32. So let me show some revenue trends and dividend history. Here's some trends. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2014, 9,316. 2015, 9,263. 2016, 9,523. 2017, 9,167. 2018, 9,545. 2019, 9,497. 2020, 9,608. 2021, 11,386. 2022, 12,458. 2023, 12,110. 2024, 11,920. Still, the revenue trends are better as compared to 2014. So, and it's less than $50. So, they have been consistent over the years and they've hiked their dividend. So I'm going to jump to their dividend history. Price per share wise, you get a good bang for your buck. So quarterly dividend, 2016, 15 cents, 2017, 17 cents, 2018, 19 cents, 21 cents in 2019. 2020 is 23 cents. 2021 is 25 cents. 2022 is 26 cents. 2023 is 28 cents. And guess what? They just hiked their dividend in 2025. They made the announcement. So dividend growth in 5 years, 5.63%. Their payout ratio is slightly high at 72%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. You bought 1 share, you made 113 with a 3.53% dividend yield. Now the payout ratio is high. You have to be aware of that. And with Ozempic and stuff, it could be a little bit of a reason why, they're a little bit down right now, but they've been a very consistent company. They've hiked their dividend and they're a cheap dividend stock. So I'm going to jump to the next dividend stock. The next one I'm going to jump to is Pepsi, sitting at 160.49, a dividend yield of 3.38%, a PE ratio of 23.65. The average volume is 5.39 million. The market cap is 220.19 billion US dollars. The year range is 155.85 to 183.41. Day range is 158.83 to 161.01. Previous close is 160.18. So they suck up and acquire businesses like crazy. And they're not just a beverage company. You know, they own Quaker Oats. They own a lot of companies, Frito-Lay. They do very well. I'm also pretty sure they own Tostitos. So, you know, they're well diversified in the food and beverage business. So let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So look, the revenue trends have been fantastic. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2013, 66,000. 2014, again, 66,000. It's a little bit up. 2015, 63,056. 2016, down a little bit, 62,799. Then 2017, 63,525. 2018, 64,661. 2019, 67,161. And then in 2021 and 2020, even during the pandemic, it was 70,372. 2021, it was 79,474. 2022 was 86,392. And then in 2023, 91,471. So that's a huge increase in revenue from 2013 to 2023. Now we're going to jump to the dividend history. That's a quarterly dividend. I'll start in 2020. It was 102. 2021, 108. And then in 2022, it jumped to 115. 2023, it jumped to 127. In 2024 and 2025, it jumped to 136. So its payout ratio is 68%. You know, food and beverage is going to have a little bit of a high payout ratio. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years, 7.45%. So if you bought one share, you made 542 with a 3.38% dividend yield. That's still not too bad. Now let's jump to another dividend king. Right now, I'm going to jump to Target. They're a little bit down. Past 5 years, they were up and down. They were beating the S&P, and then they were down. Sitting at 129.17, I find this one is a really good buy. I've been buying them recently. Dividend yield is 3.47%. PE ratio is 13.69. The average volume is 8.19 million. And before I was anti-Target. Now I made some changes. Now, again, this is why I tell you, don't follow what I do. I'm just showing you my passive income journey. I may buy stocks and then rebuy them. And, you know, I don't pump stocks. That's illegal, first of all. And things may change with my dividend portfolio. So I make sure to make things clear. Average volume is 8.19 million. Market cap is 59.19 billion US dollars. Year range is 120.21 to 181.86. That's a huge dip. Day range is 128.50 to 130.50. Previous close is 130.05. So again, they have a lot of stores. There's some issues that they're working on. And I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So when I do individual stocks or REITs, in-depth one reviews, you know, I go over FFO for REITs, their portfolio, their company, what they bring to the table, earnings per share with dividend stocks, you know, dividend growth stocks, really in-depth reviews and stock analysis, dividend analysis, a little bit of technical analysis. But I'm just going to go over the revenue trends with these 5. So that's a huge increase in revenue from 2014 to 2024. So we have 71,279. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2015, 72,618. 2016, 73,785. 2017, 70,271. A little bit of a drop, but it's going up. 2018, 72,714. 2019, 75,356. 2020, 78,112. 2021, 93,561. 2022, 106,005, and 2023, 109, 120, 2024, 107. So huge increase in revenue still since 2014. So that's a lot. That's annually in millions US dollars. So there are some good trends with them that are attractive, and revenue's good. And we're going to jump to the dividend history. I'm going to start in 2019, 64 cents to 66 cents. 2020, 68 cents. 90 cents in 2021. 2022, 108. 2023, 110. 2024, 112. So the Past 5 years of dividend growth is 15.35%. Their payout ratio is 48%. That's not too bad. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 5. So if you bought one share, you made 448 with a 3.44% dividend yield. Its dividend growth is a little bit higher than Walmart, which is attractive for me. I'm going to jump to the next dividend stock. Next one I'm going to jump to is Coca-Cola, sitting at 62.92. Dividend yield is 3.08%, a PE ratio of 26.13. Average volume is 16.99 million. The market cap is 271.05 billion US dollars. Year range is 57.47 to 73.53. Day range is 62.10 to 63.12. Previous close is 62.21. So this is quite attractive. And I'm going to show you some revenue trends and dividend history. So they're slowly starting to make a comeback with their revenue. Annually in millions US dollars, 46,854 in 2013, 2014, 45,998, 2015, 44,294, 2016, 41,863. Then here we go, 2017, 36,212, 2018, 34,000, way down. 2019, 37,000. 2020, 33,000. 2021, 38,000. 2022, 43,000. 2023, 45,754. So actually, it's been down since 2013. They've been around. They have a good reputation. They sell a lot of products. And I feel very confident with them as a dividend king. Yes, the trends are going kind of against my principles, that there hasn't been a complete dividend, revenue increase, but the dividend growth is pretty solid. So we're going to jump to that. I'm going to jump to 2016, 35 cents, 2017, 37 cents, 2018, 39 cents, 2019, 40 cents, 2020, 41 cents, 2021, 42 cents. And then in 2022, still 44 cents. And then 2023, 46 cents. 2024, 49 cents. So hopefully 50 cents. Yes, they do have a high payout ratio, 69%, but I still feel good with them. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years, 4.18%. If you bought one share, you made 194 with a 3.12% dividend yield. I'm going to jump to the final dividend stock. This is a solid dividend growth stock. And I'm going with abbvie, sitting at 176.17, a dividend yield of 3.72%, a PE ratio of 61.46, average volume 7.17 million. The market cap is 311.32 billion US dollars. Its year range is 144.73 to 207.32. Day range is 173.53 to 176.72. Previous close is 176.46. So it looks pretty good. I'm just saying. Now I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. Right here, the revenue trends are very attractive for me. So 2013, annually in millions US dollars, 18,790, 2014, 19,960, 2015, 22,859, 2016, 25,638, 2017, 28,216, 2018, 32,753, 2019, 33,266, 2020, 45,604, 2021, 56,197, 2022, 58,054, 2023, 54,318. So huge increase in revenue. Now let's jump to the dividend history. 71 cents, 96 cents, 2019, 107. 2020, 118, 2021, 130, 2022, 141, 2023, 148, 2024, 155, and 2025, 164. So the payout ratio is 58%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years, 7.46. You bought one share, you made 620 with a 3.51% dividend yield. So I own all 5. I plan on buying and holding forever these Dividend Kings. I need to get up there with them. So I'm earning decent dividend income with them, but not to where I want to be. So I'm going to use those Yieldmax ETFs to buy them. Ohio kind of sucks, so I couldn't really post as many videos as I wanted to. Take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor, somebody certified to give financial advice. Go see a tax advisor for tax advice and a financial advisor for financial advice. You don't have to buy things because I buy things. Things may change in my dividend portfolio. So you don't have to do what I do. I'm telling you, things may change. Dividend growth isn't up there. May get rid of them. Dividend cut happens. I'll get rid of them. So again, my strategy is unique. My strategy changes. So I don't want you to replicate what I'm doing because things can change. You can lose a lot of money because I invest in high yield dividend stocks, and there's a risk with high yield dividend stocks. You guys take care and have a good one.